ACS reform. Just like the police have the Civilian Complaint Review Board, ACS needs a review board. They got these caseworkers that they just take out of college for cheap and get them to do social work. Real social work, that's what you need. Real social workers to come into these homes. Everything that they said about them coming in, being disrespectful, being inappropriate in their manner and their behavior is so true. I see it's not only in Brooklyn, it's not only in Manhattan, it's not only in the Bronx, it's all over, even in Staten Island. The thing is that I have these false allegations. I had these two little boys, and they used to fight a lot, and they were special, and they used to fight a lot, and the boy always would come home with scars and bruises and this and that, and you know, I would just patch him up and send him on his way. And this one day in January 31st of 2014, he went to school, and I guess he wanted some sympathy from the teacher, and he said that he had got hit, and he had a little bruise. So right away they called ACS on me and wanted to put me away, and a whole big story. I can't even get into all the particulars, but the bottom line is that it was false allegations. These boys were always fighting, always getting into something, and they removed them out my house. They removed the other little child out my house, the other little girl, which was, she was about to leave anyway. The thing is that, you know, now they want to ruin my reputation, and I work in the field, and I can't have these false allegations because I'm also a mandated reporter. And because of their neglect to do their job properly, they had the nerve to send me, only because I went to the public advocator, I want you to know that. Only because I went to the public advocator that these people at ACS decided to send me the letter saying that I'm indicated for something, and they waited too much. My due process is destroyed. I got 2 weeks or less to get my case together, get all my evidence together so that I can run down there and fight these people when they were supposed to let me know. I got a letter. I went down there on the 23rd of May. I got a letter the 30th of May, right? A week later, because it was a Friday to a Friday. And then the letter was dated March 24th, 2014 with 2 holes in it like it was already in the file. And then the envelope was dated May 28th, and guess what? The letter was not even enclosed inside the envelope. The damn envelope was open so that anybody could look at it. What if they would have put it in the wrong box and my neighbor would have saw it? That's embarrassing. I'm not no criminal. I don't have no criminal record. I love kids. I have no biological kids of my own. I have an adopted son. I have a foster daughter that I call my goddaughter. And I love kids. And I would not do anything to hurt no child. So I don't understand where they get off. And I'm ready for the fight. They want to fight me, I'm ready. I am not going to lay down and be just walked over. That is injustice, and I don't like to be injustice. I will fight. I am a fighter. And no matter what they say, they're a liar. You know, and I just have to keep strong and stick together. And if anybody's interested, please come and join. Because like she said, the prior lady, that if it's you today, somebody else tomorrow that you might know. They don't care. Everybody gets a turn if you're in ACS. They're going to find something. If you a person that speak up and talk about and voice your opinion and your thoughts, they don't like that. They want you to sit down and be quiet and timid and shy and just take whatever they do. Don't ask no questions. Just do what you got to do. Okay? But I'm not that person. Anyway, the bottom line is that if you can come and join us, just help out some kind of way. We can all stick together. We can do it all together. But, you know, one stand alone, we can all do it together. Anyway, that's all I have to say. Thank you.
My name is Ella Green McLaurin. I'm from Brooklyn. I'm an FBA Foundation. My foster care rights was violated. I had a child in my home for 16 months, and they called me